The Ebola outbreak in West Africa has struck a chord with many in the Northwest Metro who have family members living in that part of the world.
The CDC reports more than 1,300 people have died from Ebola in Africa. And as Delane Cleveland reports, a doctor who has seen it firsthand is visiting Minnesota to collect supplies and educate the public.
This is a complicated issue. It will take us a while to get through this.
Dozens packed into Brooklyn Park City Hall Wednesday night.
We'd just like to express our support for this discussion.
To find out more about the deadly Ebola virus.
If we don't take care of this now, we can all be at risk, especially all of us here in Minnesota, because it's the largest group of Liberians are right here in Minnesota.
And to learn an important message from the people who have seen the effects of the outbreak firsthand.
Ebola is not a death sentence, number one, and number two, that we need to do more education.
Dr. Alfredmy Chessor runs a private medical clinic in Liberia. Her hope is that the people here will educate their families in Liberia about Ebola, some of whom may deny its existence.
They're in denial for multiple different reasons, some of which are just plain ignorance, some of which are just can't conceive the notion of this disease that can just kill you within 21 days of contacting the disease.
This Liberian native from Champlin has a vested interest in what Dr. Chessor had to say.
My vast majority of my relatives are all back home in Liberia.
He plans to let his family in West Africa know about what he learned here this evening.
They need to take health workers' advice, what government tells them to do. They need to just go according to what government tells them to do.
Meantime, despite the number of deaths and the hysteria caused by the Ebola outbreak, Dr. Chessor says the risk of it coming to Minnesota is minimal.
In theory, it could happen, but most likely not. But still, we need to have people to respond positively and can help us to get this under control so that it doesn't come on American soil.
Well, in addition to educating people, Dr. Chessor is also in the Twin Cities to gather medical equipment and supplies to take back to Liberia in a few weeks. For more information on how you can help, you can go to our website at 12.tv.